Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Cloud AI to your Roblox studio. Alright, so once you're in your Roblox studio, take an example, you're doing some edits. Now to connect the Cloud AI, you click on this button over here. This one, it is the AI assistant. Click on it. Once you click on it, you then come over here and click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots over here, click on Manage MCP Servers. Now, once you're in this area, click on Setup Instructions. Then go ahead and copy the JSON configuration. Once you've copied this JSON configuration, now hop onto your Cloud AI and then come and click on Settings. Okay, before you go ahead to just paste this configuration over here, you can first come and click on Settings. Okay, once you click on Settings, go ahead and click on this gear icon. Now click on Connectors, click on Custom Connectors, and make sure that the GitHub integration is linked. Okay, so after confirming that, come back over here, then go ahead and paste this configuration and click on this send. Once you do that, then you will have connected your Roblox Studio to Cloud AI. So thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.